than 100 collection of fresh front yard garden landscape design, and 5 creative points to consider when creating your front yard garden landscaping ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The yard is normally not the area considered for relaxing or entertaining. However, front yard landscaping is one good idea to add value to the home. Backyard landscaping may be for the purpose to provide for privacy, but the front yard landscaping is the opposite. It's like a testament to your personality to the world outside. It also provides a sense of invitation for anyone who steps right in front of the yard. If you are into the idea of sprucing up your yard, then the following points might be worth your time to consider before your project value add or depreciate investment. 1. Available space. The top most important consideration for your front yard landscaping is the area space available for you to transform into a dream landscape. Normally, the yard hosts the entrance of your home as well as the driveway for your cars. This is where the most traffic occurs to your home, and an appropriate space set aside for it is essential as you define the landscape to be created around these spaces. 2. The topography. Is your front yard flat or is it sloped? The topography is another important factor that determines the landscape of your front yard. Say, if the land is flat, you may need to include a design that allows rainwater or your car wash to flow out into the drainage system. Exposed or hidden gutters may add or take away the aesthetic taste of your front yard landscape. On the other hand, if your front yard is sloped, you will have to add stepping stone for visitors and anti-skid flooring to your driveway. A sloped yard provides an advantage as it provides for outstanding visual between your home and the front yard. 3. Exposure to the sun. How exposed is your front yard determines the type of plants and awnings that you will put up in front of your home. If your front yard is exposed to harsh sunlight daily, then planting a tree to cast a large shadow over your lawn and green foliages would be a suitable idea. If this does not permit, then you may consider erecting a structure in the form of awnings or maybe a pergola to provide the needed shade. This structure should remain simple to frame your home and not hide it or change the focal point, which should be your home. 4. Selection of plants and trees. Just as the above 3 points, the plants and trees that you select for your front yard is equally important. Trees can either frame the view of your house or it can dominate the focal point away from your house. Select trees that can match the design of your house. An uncluttered front yard will create the illusion of extra space and tidiness. Always follow the rule for simplicity and repetition. Less is often